This video is for educational purpose only. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to successfully open a Textnow account without getting it banned. Okay, so if today is your first time, kindly subscribe, like the video and leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, so without wasting my time, I'm going to take you through the process, step-by-step process of how to create a Textnow account without it getting banned. Okay. Yeah, so the first thing you have to do is to connect your phone to any proxy, but I recommend PiaProxy for you. Okay, you connect PiaProxy. If you don't have some yet, you can just text me. I'll leave my number in the description, and just text me and get yourself on. All right, so what you need to do is to connect to a Canada ISP. Okay, so let me just search for Canada. Okay, then you're going to choose, you can just choose any Canada IPS at all. Okay, so since I've already selected it, I'll just tap on connected over here. Okay, so right now it has been connected. All right, so what you need to do next is to go to your settings. Okay, after going to your settings, you come to general. All right, okay, then you go to date and time. Okay, then you change your time zone to Canada. Okay, so let's see Toronto, Canada. All right, so I've selected it successfully. Okay, yeah, so all you now do is, if you don't have the Textnow the Textnow app, you go to your app store and then download it. But in some cases, if your phone is not, like, for instance, I'm using iPhone, so your iPhone should be in the United States before, or any country that supports Textnow. Okay, so Textnow, since my iPhone is already in Textnow, I just search for it and it will come. I've already downloaded it on my phone, so there is no need to download it again. Okay, so all I need to do is to search for Textnow. It's over here. Now tap on it. Okay, so you see an interface like this. Okay, you either continue with Google or log in, but in this case you don't have an account yet, so all you need to do is to tap on continue with Google. Okay, continue with Google, then tap on continue. So right now it's going to ask you of the account you want to use it for the sign up, so you wait for it to load. Okay, so when it comes, you are just going to choose the account you want to use. Okay, so let me choose the account. Okay, then right now I have to confirm my password in order to take me through the sign up process. Okay, so right now it's asking for verification, which I need to do. So the number that was displayed was, I think, 84. Because of the proxy, my network is not okay, so just then 84, just to confirm I'm the one. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading now. With some devices, it will not ask you for any verification, but since I've done a two-step verification, that's why I'm receiving this. All right, so what I'm now going to do is to tap on the continue. All right, so you then wait for it to load. Okay, so right now I think we've gone through the process. So if you have any any area code you want to use, you just input it. If you don't have, you just choose anyone. So let's going for 304, then you tap on continue. So if there are numbers available, you see it over here. Okay, so I think there are 4 numbers available. Let me choose the third one. Now tap on continue. I'll go in for the try free and subscribe. Okay, so it means you are going to get free number. no sorry, let's go in for the thank you. So no thanks, right? I made a mistake. No thanks. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we've successfully created a Textnow account. And with this one, you can use it for texting, calling, or United States numbers. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section. And also, I'll leave my number in the description, so in case you need the proxy, because with this one, it's not any proxy that is suitable for it. You have to use PiaProxy. And also, I have cool offers available, so you just need to hit me up in my DM, then I'll get you one. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.